So I'm back again with another. I don't even know what to call this, but it's kind of a TikTok trading review video. So this is this guy's life after I join forex trading. Not after I start forex trading, after I join forex trading. And this guy is saying "banga ga say a bang." I can't agree with you more, mate.
My life after I joined forex trading.
Oh wait. He just shows you all that flashy stuff, yeah, but then shows you what $150 in his empty. And people believe this, man. People believe this.
My life after I
Again, no words. And guess who's back again? I love it. We film probably 100 videos and you got the same outfit. I love it. I love it. Wait, let's go back.
She lie to your face, I really don't.
Just look at the likes in these videos, man. This is nuts. Just flying a plane, trading. So he's just flying a private jet so he can stay focused during trading. I mean, look at that. It's the chin touch that does it. What do I do? Just stare at the charts for a little bit. I mean, what is Greg Second? Oh, here he goes again. Look, banging the table. Come on. Yes! Come on! Oh, get out of here, man. Get. That hope over just 5k. Somebody isn't a real stock trader. I love it. I mean, this guy is the. If you was to Google the word drip, I think this guy would come straight up. He'd be like the first thing that pops up. I mean, this is just. I mean, if you've brought this course, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're dumb. Well, not everybody, because I guess some people buy it and then realize their mistake. But if you've brought multiple things like this, you are dumb. You are dumb. I'm sorry to say it, you are. This. Who believes this rubbish? Really, who believes it? I mean, just look at it. All in the same outfit as well, just like that comment said. Anything in the plane, same outfit. Look at that. This, even in the office as well. This is just. Look at the views on this, man. You know what? I bet this guy actually makes like more money than than a lot of traders do, just from the sheer money you'd make from dumb people. It's nuts. He must make a lot of money because people will lap this up. People would lap this up. This is what people are like. It's the retail industry for you.
I had been a rich man and I had been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time.
And there you go again. Discord chat in the background. Wolf of Wall Street. Little Wolf of Wall Street soundbite on top. There you go. Like, this is just a couple of fake Rolexes. I mean, you can see from here, they're probably fake. Like, this guy, it's just mad. 600 likes. Probably, I don't know, what, 20 people probably brought his course, whatever he sells from this video. Serious money. So what actually makes me laugh about this guy is that if you go on like a video like this, like you're always gonna get a comment by some like really fake ass profile, and he always comments appreciated on it. And if you go on it, it looks like those that website where it will generate like a random photo with an algorithm of somebody that never existed. That is definitely one of those photos. I mean, just look at it. You know what I mean? Stock trader with a rocket. dude. Like, you can't get any more like fake than this. This is the reason why the retail industry is screwed. And here we go again. It's another specimen. Right now, I'm sick and tired of these fake forex traders. This is another little trick that they've got. There's two main tricks. Is the I'm not like other traders or mentors, and then you got the institutional pattern kind of shell that they like to use, and they're two of the main ones. But let's listen to what this guy has to say.
I'm sick and tired of these fake forex traders on social media, so I'm going to show you something that none of these people can show you. My live, fully verified £1 million trading account, guys. That's what I've got running, currently open. Just going to
£1 million trading account, and has got what, 4K worth of positions.
refresh that for you as well, guys, so you can see it all load, and boom, there it is loaded, guys. I've literally got countless members' results and testimonials on my Instagram story highlights as well, guys, if you want to go check them out. And if you want to join the team, link in bio.
I mean, come on. It's not hard to strip the code of a website and make it look like you've got a live account and put it on your own server and refresh it. It's not hard. It's also not hard to edit and Photoshop and fake things either. So, I mean, if it is real, okay, but still, you know, I don't get why. I know, like, the multiple income streams, I get that, but if you've got like a £1 million account, that would make you probably a multi-millionaire. Don't know why you'd be selling something so cheap. You'd have like the most pristine trading education out there that money could buy, and it would be top money. Like the stuff that I have seen with my own eyes, like even where I learned from, cost me like a lot of money, because the guy's not going to give up his time for some stupid little pattern, because he's actually going to put time into his students, you know, and this is just a load of rubbish, you know what I mean? It's a load of rubbish. And the fact he's like here, like trying to prove himself, it's just like, okay, mate, just give it a rest. Just give it a rest, will you? And again, back to the other guy, that is like the simple moan about something and, you know, problem solution kind of thing. Same with this thing here. Problem is people can't trade. And he's going to show you some kind of algo.
I'm going to show you guys how I made over $1,800, guys, in 1 week trading Forex.
Loss.
Check this out, guys. It's super easy. I'm simply just using this indicator right here. It's called Elite Algo, and it tells you exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell, guys, and any market condition, and on any time frame, guys. If you guys want access to this indicator, all you have to do is check out the link in my bio and click that link, guys. That's
Probably repaints as well. Again, what a load of rubbish. There's that guy again. Oh,
this is how I make
got?
$100 a day Forex trading. Come over to tradingview.com and click on charts. Make sure you've got Forex.
Oh, you don't say. Oh, you really people are going to do this? Just
selected on
jump
the search
straight
bar,
into a
and
trade.
you can choose from any of the Forex pairs.
Oh, just choose from any of them. Even though mine are all Euro USD.
Make sure that you have the 30-minute chart selected. It's now as simple as this. My first strategy I use is called an order block. This is how it works. If this green candle over here is bigger than this previous red candle, and the next candle also forms green, the market is going to go up. Right now you can see this candle forming over here is red. As soon as it turns green, you place your buy, and the market is going to go up like this. Let's give it 5 minutes, and I'll then post a screenshot of this market to see if I was right. Right now you can see this.
What the hell? That is not even how you trade order blocks. Just wait for the candle to go green and just jump in.
This market is starting to push upwards. 15 minutes later, this market absolutely skyrocketed as I predicted. Follow me on my YouTube channel in my bio if you want to trade with me and see me trade live every single week.
This is what I mean. You've got idiots like this teaching people a load of rubbish. What the hell was that? What was that? Like, oh my god. And like this dude says, you're on a 15-minute chart. It doesn't take 30 minutes to finish. Each bar takes 15 minutes to finish. And was it? Oh no, he was on he was on a half an hour chart. 15 minutes later, that wouldn't even. Just one bar, like, and people believe this. 500 comments, 14k likes, and however many views.
Don't do this in Forex. Mark support and resistance level. Don't take a trade immediately at the break of level. Rather, wait for price to break and retest level before considering a trade. And when you have a break and retest of structure and a confirmation candle, take the trade. Take profit hit. Don't do this.
That's actually not too bad for a very simple, dumbed down shit strategy, but people can still make that work. But the guy probably doesn't even know how to use it. He's probably just selling the course like most of them are.
When nobody believes in your trading. I'd rather download money than try fit in. So I now teach people how to trade and give signals. When no
Sorry, my cat's going crazy. I mean, I don't even know what to say about this video. Like, 5,000 likes. It's just one load of rubbish. It's just selling the course. Like, seriously, I mean, Signal Group, there you go. I mean, it's just a load of rubbish. Who believes this? I mean, who the hell believes this? Like, I don't even know how much Safe African Rand is, but this is just what a load of rubbish. What a load of rubbish. But anyway, that's it from me. See you in the next one.